Next up, the private lounge key. Quick note, check out maps.techno.com, a side project I put tons of effort into for everything you'll need to know about Arena Breakout and far more. From key locations to loot and even tips and tricks, it's got it all. maps.techno.com. This is an Armory key, and zooming into the main Armory area all the way down south here. On the first floor in the bottom right, you'll find the conference room over here. In the back of it, you'll find this little small room here. That's exactly what we're going for. Let's go ahead and do it. There's a few ways into here. The easiest is usually through the normally open garage area here, but you can open the door from this building here and find your way in. So here's the door. It needs the generator turned on, which you can do in that next room there. Okay, so finding our way into this passage here, it's basically all the way down here. So I'm heading down and into this room here. All the way around the back, you'll find this door here. If we unlock it and head inside, in here we'll find a safe as well as sometimes general loose loot. That's it. Checking the safe here. On lockdown, these are the items that I get. Usually it's a little bit better than this, or at least the safe's on lockdown, but this is just what luck has given me. And that's unfortunately really all that there is to this room. There's a couple of jackets worth checking in this room just outside here, but that's really it. So hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.